Can you imagine that flood level out here, just to the north of Mount Vernon Homestead? Just come through mountain, well, a range. There's no name for it. It says Glen Ross. Beautiful country, hills everywhere. And the time at the moment is about 3:30, and the sun brings out the best in them, I think. Sunrise and sunset. But can you imagine that flood level back in 1997? That would have been over the top of my car, whereas it stands now. It's one whole hell of a lot of water, isn't it? That's the road you're supposed to be on. Whoever drove this car took the wrong track. It took the high road and ended up a bit short. Seen better days, the old girl. Yep, she's turned into a coupe. I'm heading down the Big Andy Road to Mount Augustus. Seen the distance up this hill. Some caves. I'll come up for a quick look. Quite a few compartments in here. This being the biggest one in here. Don't know whether you'll see. There's right back in here. In this compartment. Around to the right, probably 10-15 foot. It's a bit dark. All the roofs hanging out in here. And they've got a great view as well. Great view. Almost like slate, this rock around here. And the Pingandy Hills.